Ciao tutti, today I'm gonna be the cameraman because it's Michela's birthday. So she's gonna prepare for us a recipe for the first time.
Today we're making torta di mele.
It is apple cake. That's her recipe, not my recipe.
Actually a recipe I learned in Italy from my good friend Paola. And this is my chef jacket that Chef Rigo bought me.
So, chef girl, what do we need to make a apple cake?
Today we need apples, obviously. We need yogurt, we're using vanilla yogurt.
Yeah.
Butter, 3 eggs, sugar, flour, and then we've got our baking powder, salt, of course, as Chef Rigo says, always using salt in every recipe.
Always.
And lemon.
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice.
Be specific.
Sorry, lemon juice.
Wow. And we need this machine.
A beautiful machine that we carried all the way from Italy in our suitcase.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Explain us what's the procedure to make an apple cake.
So the first thing that we need to do is we need to peel and cut the apples. Do you think you could do that, please?
That's not my job. I'm recording. I always cook everything. You don't do anything.
I do!
So you are gonna do it.
Back my badge. What we need to do is we need to peel the apples.
You can use as well. Can I do that?
Okay, so now we're going to do it together. So we need to peel the apples, slice them into small pieces. We need to put them over here in this bowl.
Yeah, if you start like that, I cazzi e mazzi.
Nice pieces like this, not too thick.
Ah!
As you can see, we have cut all of the apples and have nice beautiful pieces like this. What we need to do is to preserve the apples and avoid them from going brown. We need to put some lemon juice on top. And then we just need to mix them together. Just make sure all the apple pieces are covered.
Brava che sei, Michela.
Yeah. Right, now, very important thing, and this you can always do this before you even start. I just didn't because I forgot. We need to turn the oven on. So we need to turn on the oven and we're going to put it on 180 degrees. We're putting it on fan force. So now we need to crack the eggs.
Che brava! Madonna! Sai fare le uova! With one hand. Just one hand. You can use only one hand. One hand.
Complete fail. Water. Okay, then we're just going to add a pinch of salt.
Right.
And we need to put our baking powder. We'll put inside here. Let's put all of this inside our Kenwood.
So we put on the whisks.
We're going to beat it for around 1 minute. Have a look.
A lightly beaten like that.
Now we can add the sugar. And we're going to beat this for 5 minutes. Obviously we need a tray to cook our cake. So I'm just put some baking paper on the bottom.
Yep. And
you just take the sides off to slide it in. We're going to get some water. We're going to dab the sides of the tray. It's all damp. Just stick the baking paper to the side of the tray. And the water actually makes this baking paper stick to the edge.
What's going on there? Eh?
Now, just put it all on the sides, that's all fine. The sugar has mixed in with the eggs. Now it's time to add the yogurt and the butter. We've just melted the butter slightly in the microwave. Then we're going to add the yogurt as well. Put this on again until it's all mixed together. Is it ready? It's ready! Okay, last but not least, add the flour. And we're just going to mix that for another 30 seconds. Just so that it's all combined.
So you start with low, otherwise the flour goes everywhere.
Of course, let me explain that. So, you start it on low, so that it doesn't fly everywhere. And we're gradually going to increase it to the max. So that's done. Take this off, give it a bang. Put this in the sink.
Why you're doing that every time? That's off.
This is my favourite part of baking.
Disgusting. You drop it on the floor.
Oh. Now what we're going to do is, we're going to put half of the amount of apples into the mix.
The dough?
It's not dough, it's actually mixture. Baking terminology, Chef Rigo. We're going to mix it all together. We're going to fold it in. Otherwise I might need your help.
I'm not going to help you.
Yes, you are. And then we're going to pour it into a tray. Alright, let's get it all out of here. But thank you, Chef Rigo, for helping me.
Yeah,
So now we're just gonna push it to the edges. We also want to make sure that it's even. Beautiful! With the remaining apple pieces, we're going to cover the top of the cake. So grab pieces like this and we start around the edges. Just pop them in like this, push them down so they're secure. And we want to create a nice pretty pattern, making sure that most of the top is covered by apples. So now that looks nice. Okay, and now at Chef Rigo's request, we're going to sprinkle some sugar on top so that it has that nice caramelized layer. Sprinkle sugar.
Should be inside.
Oh. Now it's ready, we're going to pop it in the oven. And we're going to cook it for 40 to 50 minutes. And while we wait, Chef Rigo's going to do the dishes and I'm going to sit on the couch because I never get to do that. Wow, you're so good at doing the dishes.
I've never seen so many dishes for a cake, honestly.
What are you even talking about? The cake's looking good. Now we can pull it out. Okay. Now we're going to let that rest to cool down. And then we're going to sprinkle it with some icing sugar.
So our cake is ready.
Looking beautiful.
Very impressed.
Oh, thanks. Okay, so we're just going to take this off. And then...
Let's see what she does.
Basta! I'm going to transfer it over.
Okay.
Quickly just take it away like that. My favourite part is we're going to add icing sugar on top.
You are a disaster.
And that is our beautiful torta di mele apple cake. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, The Chef's Girl.
Stay up to date with all our new videos.